All right, so welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, I just have a really quick video showing off how to stop Clipchamp from being kind of stuck uploading. Oftentimes, when you go to insert a video or an audio, something along those lines, you're going to get uploading and it's going to be whatever percentage, and then it just kind of gets stuck. So today in this video, I want to show you guys a quick and easy workaround. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So we're going to start off in OBS here because I just want to show you guys what causes the issue before we show you what resolves it. So when you go to record in OBS or whatever different software, you're going to have a video encoder. For me, when I started making videos, I was using H.264 and I had no issues with Clipchamp whatsoever. The issues arise when I switched to HEVC. So it's a bit better of an encoder. It's going to give you a bit better video. But when I went into Clipchamp, no longer did my videos work. That's when I had them stuck uploading. So this is where the issue comes in. And if you want the best video possible, you're going to want to use HEVC or AV1, which is a new video encoder that I'll also talk about. So in order to be able to use these, what you have to do is come to the Microsoft Store. You're going to search up HEVC and you're going to see HEVC video extensions. I think that this costs like $1.99, whatever it is. This is the reason that the reviews are so bad on it are because it's a dollar purchase. But realistically, at the end of the day, it resolves the issue entirely. So you just kind of got to do it. What's a dollar, right? At the end of the day. So you're going to download this, and then the next time that you fire it up and you put your video into Clipchamp, it's just going to work. It's not going to get stuck uploading. It's going to be instant, just like it was when you're using H.264. The other thing, like I said, if you are somebody that's going to be using AV1, you can search up AV1 and the same thing's going to happen here. We have AV1 video extension. This is only going to work for certain graphics cards. So on my laptop that I record with currently, I have a 4060, so that works with AV1. My 3070 Ti does not, so depends on what graphics card you're using. But same thing, just going to install it. Once you fire back open OBS, the next time that you record something, it's going to work great. Or if you already have something recorded, pop it into Clipchamp, it's going to work. So like I said at the beginning of the video, it's super straightforward workaround. It's just going to cost you $1, and I know that you're always going to want to look for a free option. For this, it doesn't really exist. This is the easy way to do it. It works flawlessly. You just kind of got to bite the bullet. But once again, what's a dollar? I'm sure we can all spare one of those for a quick and easy workaround. So if you guys have enjoyed the video, be sure to throw a like on the video. Maybe think about subscribing so that I can continue to help more and more people out here with this YouTube channel. But yeah, that's all that I got for you guys. Have a good one. Peace.